Hello friends, another day of photography, and today I am at, can you make it out? Gatorland. This is a old roadside attraction. We're going to see some gators, which, believe it or not, is not the main reason why I chose this location. I've been here a few times, and they have, this place attracts quite the variety of wild birds. So I got my long lens, and we're going to try and do some bird photography and see what else we got going on today. And as promised, you walk through the gate. This is the entryway we just came through, and you're immediately introduced to a group of gators. I don't know what you call a group of gators. So you can see I got the long lens on, so we're getting super close. And it's not just that, but like the textures in their skin. Let's venture on inside and see the rest of this. So here's some macaws, and yeah, this is going to be a challenge because there's like music being played all over the place or whatever, so I got to try and dodge that. But this is kind of what I'm here for. I mean, not so much these, but like these, the wild ones. So the lady where I bought my tickets, she said it was actually kind of slow today, but I don't know. Of course, like I say, I haven't been here in a couple of years. So I got this little area here with all these parakeets. You can buy these feeding sticks to feed the parakeets. Go out here. So this is where everyone comes out to feed the gators, but it also, because of the food, it attracts the birds. So let's see if we can get anything here. We got some flamingos in here. Man, check that out. I got a bunch of them here. Oh, it's kind of the wrong lighting. It's harsh. Hopefully that one came out good. Doing a lot of portrait mode stuff here. So I'm here just a few minutes, already getting a little steamy. Well, I got through the more crowded area there, and we're gonna go down this here swamp walk, which is pretty much just a raised wooden platform trail that goes through the woods, and hopefully it's a little quieter or whatever, but we'll see what we can see. But this here area is kind of where they keep, from what I understand, rescued gators. This is Florida, right? So any fresh body of water, you got to assume there's a gator in it. I got a lake behind my house, and it too has had several gators in it. Not all at once, usually like one at a time for us. But they hang around for a bit, and then what happens is if they ever become a nuisance, the county will come and they'll have them hauled away. This is one of the organizations that goes out and retrieves these gators. Usually they're not believe it or not, usually gators aren't a problem. They only become a problem if people feed them. It's against the law to feed them for obvious reasons, but just to explain, once you start feeding an animal, then it associates you with food, and how do you tell a gator that you don't have any food when then you become the food, right? So They become a nuisance if somebody feeds them or whatever, or sometimes you get a rogue one that'll attack a dog or something. And yes, on rare occasion, there's been attacks on humans by these gators. And I mean, you look at them, they're monsters. That one there that we're looking at is got to be at least 12 feet long. I'll get a closer look. So anyway, so yeah, this outfit will come and I don't know if they actually come out and get them, or if they're brought here, you know what I mean? But anyway, they kind of have a home for them, and it's not like they rehabilitate them and throw them back in the wild. No, they stay here for the rest of their life. Now, ones that have like attacked and killed humans that are euthanized. So here is our swamp walk, and you can see just like that, it got quiet, with the exception of some woodland creatures, right? Some birds. We'll get an occasional airplane fly over because we are relatively close to the airport, but it's a totally different vibe out here. You see, this is all muddy, boggy swamp. So, and to see how muddy this is, we haven't even gotten any rain in quite some time. So I am actually surprised at how muddy it is back here. So we're gonna go down this way. I think this does a complete loop. I'm pretty sure. And I keep hearing the word snake being thrown around. Dear old dad does not like snakes. I'm trying to find a spot for one of these wildflowers. It's kind of not bright enough. Here, how about this one? That one's good. What I'll do is I'm gonna walk this, and then I'll switch lenses and I'll walk it again. Because I got my wide angle with me, and like this scene here is kind of wide angle worthy. It is 88 degrees right now. I'm already sweating profusely. Then again, what are you gonna do? Well, it seems like no matter what I do, it's the wrong lens I got on. If I got the wide angle, then I need the telephoto. If I have the telephoto, then I need the wide angle. Well, ain't nobody made it out this far, from what I can tell. Walking through here, regardless of the airplane noise, just seems so peaceful, you know? Especially once the plane noise subsides. I can't help but wonder, how do they build this platform? I mean, someone had to traipse through the mud. Pretty cool. A lot of this has been replaced. I think one of the last storms we had 2 storms last hurricane season. And I think one of them kind of reaped havoc here, maybe, perhaps both of them. The majority of the photos I post with this video will be at the end. So watch it through the end so you can see the results of my trek. Oh, look at that, we've come full circle. Perfect. So I'll go out here, change lenses, and I'm gonna walk back around again. All right, I made it back. I went second lap around with the wide angle lens, and now I'm back with the telephoto. All right, now there's another path that takes us around this lake they have in the middle here. And this is usually where I've seen the exotic birds, or the tropical birds, whatever you want to call them, in the past. So let's see. This is all the why I put the long lens back on. So let's see what we get here. turkey vulture. There's the zip line. Oh, there's some nesting birds. I don't know what those are called. You see those white ones there in the distance. Let's see if the trail will get us a little closer to them. Maybe that's what these folks are looking at. Yeah, see, here they're all. Look at these guys. Things look a little freakish when they're young like that. That's the type of stuff I was looking for, or hoping for. Look at this guy. Holy cow, man. It's a monster. It's another one.
That's about 10.
I don't know if you guys could see it, but right just about dead center of the screen, there's like these are like infant birds. There's two of them over here. They haven't even formed wings. It's a good shot here of this guy. Uh-oh. What we got going on here? I believe spring is mating season for these guys, so from what I understand, they get fairly aggressive. Oh, that was that. Oh, there's a whole tree full of them here. Look at this guy. This long tail feathers. Some babies over there, you can hear the noises they're making. Some young ones here too. Oh no. Sure, the second I get focused up, he starts preening himself. There you go. Back up. These little guys. We got a bunch of nesting. I don't know what these are. Are they egrets? I don't know. I got some pictures of them. Like I say, stay tuned to the end of the video, and I'll post my keeper pictures. And all that hooting and hollering is for the zip line guys. And that's the end of that. I'm gonna go swing around the back side of the lake here, but I don't remember there being anything significant over there. I don't know. I think there was a pen with crocodiles in it as opposed to a gator. But I'll do a quick walk around and see, and then I think that's about it. Ready to call it an afternoon. Oh, just like I thought, Crocs. So here's where they have like a pen full of crocodiles. Ooh. Someone's sunning himself here. From my understanding, the gators have like a wide rounded snout, and the crocs it's like a tapered snout. Don't take my word for that, because I'm an idiot. Yeah, see, that's a croc. See how the snout is tapered? Okay, well, I think I'm gonna start meandering towards the front of the park. Once we go full circle around this lake here, which is just around the bend, we'll have circumnavigated the whole park. I don't think I can get far enough back for this. I don't know why I'm doing this. Back here with the emus. Tell you what, man, taking pictures of birds is tough. These guys, they just won't stand still. All of them, you know? They're just so quirky with their motion. Oh, I see. They're playing chase. Oh, here's a real close. We're back towards the front of the park. See how crowded it is up here now. Let's see, it is 4:15. This place closes at 5 o'clock. Oh, look at this. Spoonbill. These birds are cool. This is luck. Awesome. I hope these come out. Thank you. That was worth the price of admission right there. I'm gonna head back out over by the flamingos. Just need a clean background. Getting there. There's a capybara. Pretty cool mural. The side of the building. Well, that's it. I just exited through the gift shop. Well, it's a fun afternoon here at Gatorland. I don't know what I did as far as photos go. I'm sure I got a couple of good ones. I'll post those here. So now it's just a quick drive home. That's what's nice. This park is very convenient to me. Yeah, and I will return for sure. You know, as we pass the giant gator mouth and the entrance, which is all closed. The park is now closing. It's closed at 5 o'clock, so I guess they quit taking admissions probably a half an hour before closing, which makes sense. Last show's going on inside, whatever. So yeah, as you can see, gators galore. And of course, dear old dad focused most of his attention on the birds. Got some gator shots too, you know. So It's a cool park. Like I say, it's about 30 bucks to get in. Parking is free. It's $30 each. I know kids are cheaper. I'm a Florida resident, so I got half price. So it cost me $16.50. It's worth it, like I say. Something different, and whatever. You haven't got to deal with the throngs that's at the big theme parks. If you're looking for something to do that's off the beaten path, so to speak, or not as maniacal, this is definitely worth a gander, I think. Come here, spend a few hours, learn about gators, see a couple shows, see the birds, and then back to your hotel and hit the pool. So here's my car. I'm gonna pack it in. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay out of trouble. All right, bye.